kids, today I'm gonna make a learning video and I'll tell you what trucks do, and this is the construction one, and I'll be going up through their sizes. The first truck will come in. This is a skid steer. Skid steers have track wheels or normal wheels, and they have these arms like that, and they do lots of tricks. I'll show you one of them. That's one, that is one, that's another one, that's another one, and that's another one. And his wheels only go straight, and his name does mean what he does. He skids. So his right wheels go faster than his left, and then that makes the left side skid, and then he turns left. Was that correct, Daddy?
I'm sure it was.
And sometimes they have solid tyres, and their colours are white and yellow. This one's a yellow version. The white ones are usually the track wheel ones. This is a Bruder skid steer. Next is going to be